Right, good afternoon. Today we stay in the ghost apartment around District 5. You can see about the tower here. This tower we calling Hong Kiu Plaza. And I saw for you about picture on the top. You can list about picture on the top. You can see slide incense stick. Yeah, this is about the Feng Shui Chinese. Very unlucky with the Vietnamese people. Sometimes when you in the past when Hong Kong people in there, very popular and very improved. But when Hong Kong live, so bad. I know why people in Vietnam they don't want to live in there. Because very unlucky. And sometimes you can see some ghosts in there, so nobody live in there. But more when you go to in the COVID-19 2021, a lot of people we have make a COVID-19 and we dead in there because the government they choose that the hospital of the COVID-19. And you know we have a like ghost apartment. And now a lot of people we dead by COVID-19 and we say more ghost apartment. So don't want people live in there.
Why they call ghost apartment?
In the past when the Hong Kong people we stay there, we building this tower. And this tower is the most modern in the past by Hong Kong.
Okay.
But right now, when to Hong Kong people, they live in Saigon. In there, we have Feng Shui Chinese.
Okay.
Feng Shui is so unlucky because when you see on the top inside, it's like the incense thing. Sometimes you know when you go to Buddhism, to the Buddha,
Yeah.
you have 3 incense thing, right?
Yes.
And it's like 3 incense thing.
Okay.
And 3 is unlucky. You can look about the picture on the top. Lucky. If it's here a ghost apartment.
Yeah.
If you live there, you opposite with a ghost apartment. When you open the window, you see that unlucky, so they don't want. Yeah, only Feng Shui.